Raise a cup up for all my day ones.
Hi guys, welcome to Maggie Makeup MTL. Here I am with a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do your eyebrows, hide the imperfections and the mistakes the lady might have done. So yeah, if you want to know how to do your eyebrows, then keep watching.
The good in a good life. We put the bad in the past, now we alright.
Hey Lonnie, I got you. Yeah. And it's a feeling that I can't explain. How you make it in your team still stay the same. Stay down from the jump and they never change. Man, it's a moment I could never trade. Yeah, I told my moms not to stress no more. Go hit the Bentley store and no credit card debts no more. I bought the crib and it's an escrow now, so you don't never have to worry about how you gon' pay rent no more. I put my team in position, now they making a killing. Stacking blue faces straight to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with them, ordering bottles of the Ace when they send them, till it ain't enough space up on the table to fit them. Go ahead and
raise a cup up for all my day ones. 2 middle fingers for the haters. Life's only getting greater. Straight up from nothing we go. Higher than the highest skyscraper. Now a little league we measure. The proof is in the paper. We put the good in the good in the good life.
The good
We put
life.
the good in the good in the good
I said
life.
the good
We put
life.
the bad in the past, now we alright.
We alright. Pour some Clico in a glass, have a toast to success. No looking back from here, no more being broke and distressed. I put my heart into this game like I open my chest. We only pray for more M's while you hope for the best. We make these plays, man, I'm finessing these checks. Time's up for everybody, I'm collecting old debts. And I swear this champagne just tastes better on jets. I'm just out here being great, man, this is real as it gets. I put my team in position, now they making a killing. Stacking blue faces straight to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with them, ordering bottles of the Ace when they send them, till it ain't enough space up on the table to fit them. Go ahead and
raise a cup up for all my day ones.
So that's a wrap, you people. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel at Maggie Makeup MTL. Go follow me on Instagram at Maggie Makeup MTL, and go like my Facebook page at Maggie Makeup MTL. And I'm open to suggestions once again, so you can text, email, or tell me in person what you want to see from me. I'm so happy I got to see you guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.